How to reset your Instagram password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can reset and recover your Instagram account's password. But before we get started with the video, if you're new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, if you forgot your password to your Instagram account, it's very simple to recover it. Just go ahead and then open up Instagram. And let's say that you actually just forgot the password. Right over here you can see forgotten your login details and get help with logging in. Right on the login screen you have to tap on get help with logging in button. Once you do that, first of all, the very first thing to do is to simply find your account. So as you can see, it's finding our account. You have to enter the username. So if you don't remember your username, that's simply not possible. You have to remember your username or phone number or email in order to go ahead and reset your password. So just enter your username and tap on the next button. As you tap on the next button over here, you can see it will ask you to send an email or send an SMS message. So you need to be sure that you have access to at least one of these things, which is your email address or your phone number. So if you don't have either one of these, to which you will use during the sign up process, you'll not be able to recover your password. So I'll just go ahead and then select the send an email button over here. Once I select send an email, you'll be able to see that you can see it has sent an email to one of my email addresses over here. So just go ahead and open up that particular mail. So I'll go ahead and open up my mailing address over here. I'll make sure that I'm on that particular mail. Once I do that, I'll just go ahead and refresh it and see if I've received any types of messages or anything from Instagram. So as you can see right on top, we have the email from Instagram, which is basically to say that we made it easy to get it back to your Instagram account. Now first thing you can do is you can simply log in without resetting your password, and the second thing you can do is you can simply reset your password. I don't know why it's a bit messy. This is simply due to the bugs of the application, but you just need to tap on the reset your password button. Once you do that, it will basically take you to a page where you have to simply enter your new password. So as you can see over here, your password must be at least 6 characters and should include a number of letters, numbers, and special characters. So just go ahead and enter your new password, reconfirm the new password, and tap on reset password button. And this is simply it. You don't need to remember your old password. All you need is you need to have either your email address which you use or your phone number which you have. And this is simply it. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.